All right, let's take a look at how we can use LucidChart to accomplish similar structures as this for a graphic organizer, very similar to like Packet Tracer. All right, so what are we going to do? We're going to first go to the district website, staff, and approved technology list for teachers. And what are we going to find? We find LucidChart right here. And on that leads us to, okay, let's go to LucidChart. I've already logged in, so you'd go through the initial login process. You can only use the free version, but once you do have this open, you can create a blank diagram. And what I want to do is draw your attention down here to the Add Shapes button. Okay, this Add Shapes button here will help quite a bit. So what we can do is scroll down until we find, there we go, Tech Clip Art. And to be specific, we want network. You can also check on electronics and audio equipment if you wanted to, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to use network, use those selected shapes. Now what can I do? Well, I can bring in a server or 3, place those here. I could go back up here to the top and bring in a cloud if we wanted to use the example that was provided in that email and stretch that out just a smidge. Very good. What else did we have in here? Okay, we got a router. Let's go find ourselves a router. We can hover over these and it'll tell us which one is which. There's our router. I'm going to put that here and then drag these guys down a little further. See if that's on point. Let's see, we got all that. There we go with our racks. Okay, looks like we also had another tool there. I'm just going to go with what I've got here just for sake of time. Okay, so now I want to connect these, right? So I can click back up here and drag this to there. Now wherever I move this, that's going to follow. Same thing here. I'm going to start there, drag that to here, and drag this one up to there as well. And then also this to there. And if I wanted to, I could drag this back over here, make those all nice and clean. Now I did set this one up on purpose where it is going to instead of from. I can then drag these back around and make those nodes and connector nodes work the correct way. Or if it goes back and forth, I can drag these all around anywhere I want, is the bottom line point. And then if I want to get rid of one, select it, backspace, gone. So now I can click here, drag to there, and we're cleaned up. Good. Okay, so what can we do with this at that point? We could share, but you only have so many free ones. So instead, I would recommend going through and going to File and actually saving these, and in the end, exporting it as either an image or a PDF, and then submitting that through Canvas. Hope that helps. Let me know if I can help further.